Hello, it's Ian from Gigahertz Effects here, and today I'm going to make a little video of this guy. This is the B1. It's based on the old Catlin bred Katzen Koenig, so you can expect a silicon tone bender with the filtering system at the back end of a rat. It's made by my friend Adam, who is the host of Noisemaker Market. This is a new guitar show in the UK. Comes in a cute little tote bag with, oh, there goes the box, one of the logos. Josh Scott would have my head for that, disrespecting the box. Inside here we've got a 125B size pedals, very pedalboard friendly, top mounted jacks and power. And yeah, it's just 4 controls with a 3-way toggle switch in the middle. Adam's picked out some really fancy Russian germanium diodes for one of the modes that gives you a nice kind of really compressed, more earthy kind of texture. You also have the standard silicon mode in pink, and in the middle the kind of secret weapon of this guy, super loud 3mm diffused blue LEDs, and beautifully finished, beautifully designed, cute little Moog style knobs and a white LED there in the middle, so you can't miss it on a stage. So I'm going to give this a spin. Excuse the playing, I'm a little bit rusty. Yeah, one thing to say here, someone asked me the other day, how many are there? I think there's only going to be about 20 of these. This is specifically to, celebrate the launch of the Noisemaker Market. And a few of them are already earmarked for, important people who've helped with the show. So I guess there's probably going to be like, I don't know, 15 of these available in the wild, so pretty limited. All handmade inside, beautifully finished, beautifully constructed. And yeah, get one while you can over Adam's site. I'll try to put a link at the end of the video if you fancy one and you like the sounds. It's very versatile. It's really cool. Combination of two real classics.